Welcome back to Supercoder Kid, where we make coding fun and easy. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the essay block in Scratch. Write in and see how it works. Here we are in Scratch. The essay block is part of the looks category. You can find it right here in the purple section. Let's give it a try. I'll drag the essay block to the coding area and type in a message like "Hello, everyone." When I click the green flag, our sprite will say the message in a speech bubble. There's also a block called Say Message for Seconds. This lets you control how long the message appears. Let's try this. And that's how you use the essay block. It's a great way to add dialogue or instructions in your project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Supercoder Kid for more fun coding tutorials. See you next time.